Number 8 has us finding the equation in point slope form that goes with the graph of the line. So the easiest way to do this is to take a look at all these different equations down here and see if you can come up with points based on the equation that's given. So by that I mean, if you look at this one right here, let's look at that first one. You know, first of all, point slope form again is y minus y1 equals m times the quantity of x minus x1. So that's a point and that's a point. So if we look here, we have y minus 3, so we know that our y coordinate is 3, and it says equals negative 1/3 times x. There's nothing in there which tells us that that point is 0, 3. If you look up at our graph, 0, 3 would occur right here, not on the line, so that's not our point. The next point would be, we have y, there's nothing over here with our y, which means we're dealing with a y coordinate of 0, negative 3 times x plus 3, which means this would have to be a negative 3. So negative 3, 0, which happens right here and is also not on our line. The third one is we have y plus 1 equals negative 1/3 x. Well, there's nothing over here with our x, so that means our x is a 0. And we have a y plus 1, which means this started out as y minus a negative 1. And 0, negative 1 is here, and that point is not on the line. So just to make sure I didn't make a mistake, let's go ahead and look at graph D, which says y minus 2 equals negative 1/3 times x plus 3. Well, our y coordinate, it's y minus y1, y minus, so y1 would be 2, and equals negative 1/3 times the quantity of x plus 3. How would we get x plus 3 in there? It would be x minus a negative 3, which means if this point's on the line, it would be at negative 3, positive 2. So negative 3, positive 2. So that is the equation of our line. You also could have gone through, and if you notice, the slope in A was a negative 1/3, the slope in B was a negative 3, the slope in C was a negative 1/3, and the slope in D was a negative 1/3. Well, if you take a look at what the slope was, let's use these 2 points right there. It's down 1 and to the right 3. So automatically that would tell you that that wasn't a part of it, because this choice B said that the slope was 3, and it's not.